Alright, now it's time to add the command into the game. To do that, I'm gonna need to make sure that we have the TemplateNPC reload. We'll do here, reload. This is the command that we want. I need to go into world, gonna go into command, which is here. Gonna go into data, gonna add a new one, which this will be. The syntax, well, you can keep it empty, just just run it. And now gonna need to add GM commands into a specific rank. Gonna go into data. This is where we store all the permissions. That includes commands as well. So our command was ID 1000, and the command, it was this TemplateNPC reload. Now I'm gonna need to copy this ID, which I remind you guys is brought from here. Go to peak, and this is the ID. Custom permissions 1000 plus. This is located right there. So case 1000. And now because our rank in game earned, this is our username ID number 1. If we go into account access, we can see that account ID 1 has security level 3. We're going to need to make sure that security level 3 has access to this command. So security level 3 uses the permission ID. Oh wait, let's make it a bit longer. 192, which is security level administrator. We're going to need to go into case 192 within the linked permissions. 192, and the link ID will be exactly this, 1000. So that's done. In addition to that, there is another method. It's a bit more messy. I mean, if you have multiple commands, but you could also add it like this. Security level 3 has default permission to this on all rounds, which is -1. If you have multiple rounds, round number 1 would be your main realm. Number 2 would be like a test realm or something. If you do -1, you prevent duplicates, and this is just a command across all the rounds that your server has. So it has been saved. Obviously, at the moment we don't really need it, so we just deleted it. Now to reload that in game, we need to do reload command. Doesn't seem to be an option. Nope. All right, let's reload our back. Okay, that's done. Now, just to be safe, because this one doesn't seem to be loading anything. I don't know, I'm not too sure about that, so I'm just gonna do Control-C. And then I'm gonna do N. That is to restart the server without any folder, without anything. That is really useful if you're compiling often and you need to shut the server down. I mean the test realm down to apply the changes, or you can just use hot swapping, but that's a topic for a different day. Anyways, gonna go in game now and test this.